Hey, my brother.
How you doing? You doing good? So, Rod, I didn't get a chance to see it, but we're done. What's up, my friend? Oh, so that's what we got to do here, and they poured all this here, right? Okay. That's our buckets there? Looks like it, because I'm the only one to buy those buckets.
Yeah.
That's our buckets. But they're ours. Okay? They're the pickle buckets for the Firehouse sub. I buy them for $3. That's the game. What's up, brother? Well, I'm sorry I missed the pour, but you can see the house here. We got it graded out. Got everything graded out. Looking good. Boy, Friday. Look at the Intracoastal there. Everybody's doing their job. This is South Florida on a Friday. Got the big gray monster over there. Got the step coming down. Boom, there it is. Yeah, that's what's up. Now, I don't know why they got these little boats. I'm gonna show you. See that little boat right there? See that? Now they know. You know, I ain't gonna say anything because I don't even own a boat. They just in there, in their glory. Now when a big boat comes by and wash them up on the dock, they ain't gonna have a problem. All right, so we're here. Get back to what we got while we're here. So we had a concrete pour. All this you see here we did. This is gonna be with pavers. And it was at 2 o'clock. The truck must have came early. Here's for the pool equipment. Here is for the, I think the ACs. And then we have this little area here that the guy's pouring. It's like a little footer here we got going on. All right. And the wall is down here. That's a continuation of the site wall. And all the site walls are divisions between this house and this. So nothing to carry over as far as soil, things like that. No washouts and everything like that. So it's just like a protective mechanism. And you see how deep the wall goes. Let me drop down. And we got pilings in here. You can see these pilings. They call auger piles right here. We got this all throughout the house, supports the house. And eventually this is going to be poured a slab too, I'm assuming. But as you can see, we got all this here, how low this wall goes down. And it's going to backfill. That's right down there. It's the footer, which is like 4 feet wide, about 20 inches deep. So yeah, we got it. So when we started doing this work here, we're pretty much done. We did all the shell work here, as you can see. It looks nice and beautiful. 2-story house, concrete, second floor, concrete. Oh, almost fell. Concrete roof. All this here. The gray building, we sometimes call it by the time I get done. It's called a gray building. We got different trades in right now. Cleaning up. The guys are, the MEPs are in. MEPs stand for mechanical, electrical, and plumbing. They're doing their thing. Concrete steps. Yeah, we did that too. All right, got the security on the concrete steps. framers are in. This is when you get to look out of the rooms and all that good stuff. Overlooking here, rail, like a circular balcony kind of. You're overlooking there. Insulation on the walls, which is here. This is insulation there. And they bring out the 1 5/8" track. And one of the reasons they do that is because sometimes the walls, which is the block, is not as level because it's blocked. So they build a chase wall here, which is straight, made out of metal, and that's what the drywall goes on. Okay. I think we had about 20 steel columns in this building. But you know me, I gotta go over here and look at the ocean again. Well, I like Fridays. Actually, I like every day. And then you come back over here. When you do a concrete roof, oftentimes you have to drop the ceiling, like lower the ceiling, because you got to put your ductwork in, you got to put your plumbing in, and so you got to have enough space between the bottom of the ceiling and making sure that you have enough clearance. Some areas you can go up higher, you don't have that much clearance because nothing is going through it, like this. I mean, if you put lighting in here, that's fine because the light boxes are not that, it's not that wide and thick. But like for this, for example, when you have your AC, you're gonna have to drop the ceiling down so that can be on there. It's like a soffit. Sort of like what you see there. You see here, you have the soffit and you have the AC ducts and everything's dropped through there. You're never gonna see it. All you're gonna see is the grills, okay? So, hey, this is what we do. Minutes finished up, so now we're just doing our little sporadic workout here, making it happen. All right, till next time. Peace.